Happy birthday, Sis Lori! Happy birthday! Cheers! Welcome back to my channel, Meldy Baldovino Vlogs. So, we are here right now at Manila Pen or Manila Peninsula Hotel to celebrate the birthday of Sis Lori. Kaming apat, si Sis Marisa, Ana, and Sis Lori. May special bond talaga sa aming apat na lately lang kasi talagang hindi ako nakakasama sa kanila. Pero very special pa rin yung friendship namin. Kasi ito nag-start kami as sisters sa chapel ng Greenbelt. Naging part kami ng finance group. Siyempre, yung head namin, yung aming CFO. Ang CFO natin dyan, si Sis Marisa. Yes, talagang kilalang-kilala namin ang ugali namin sa bawat isa. Ayan, so, every time na may birthday or may special occasion, talagang sineselebrate namin to. Very special din, siyempre, yung place, basta kahit na maliit na bagay, basta magkakasama kami, ayan, sineselebrate talaga namin. Hello, love, again, Manila Pen. It's nice to be back. This is the Japanese area. Hi guys, today is Lori's birthday and we are here right now. Manila Pen. Say hi, my dear. Thank you for the blowout. Itong area na to is mga dessert. Ayan, sawa tayo dito guys. Kalabaw. Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Make a wish, girl. Wish. Sana gumanda ka lalo. May lalo.
Happy birthday! Yay! Thank you, Manila Pen.
Si Kuya, happy birthday. Paano kinapi mo eh?
Oh, happy birthday, sis!
Thank you.
Miss Marisa, today the birthday of sis Lori, ang
Yeah.
pinakamahal natin na Barbie doll.
Oh, yeah?
Ang Barbie friend.
Yes.
Hello, ang ganda oh, grabe. Ito naman ang aming manager.
Ang aming pinakabunso.
Bunso at ang ganda din. Ayan. Ito ang pinaka-CFO namin.
Ito na ako na. Sige na ako na.
Sis, yeah. Wish natin kay Sis
birthday.
Lori is...
Happy birthday, Lori, to my beautiful and ano pa ba? Sweet,
Love it.
lovely, and
Sungit.
ay, wag na yung generous pala. Generous of love. Ay, hindi talaga totoo naman. And I hope na
Ano nakakatawa doon?
ano no?
Generous sa love.
Sa love.
Magiging
Sa love,
generous
sa
din siya
love.
sa money balang
Sa
araw.
love,
Pag
diba?
successful na ang
Diba?
construction.
That's why he looks beautiful because
Yes.
he's so kind and generous. In love.
In love.
In love. Sandali, hindi na tuloy-tuloy yung yung sinasabi ko eh. Nawawala tuloy. Ano pa ba? Ano ba sasabihin ko? Good luck sa ano mo, sa
Business.
business mo, and I hope that you'll prosper and make you rich. Very, very rich. Yeah. God bless you more. Yes. God bless you more and more.
Claim na yan para maging generous
Yeah.
ka para
God bless you more and more and more.
Hindi ako makikita ng 1,000 lang. O di more. No 100. 1,000 na. Ngayon, magbibigay ka ng 1,000. 1,000 lang. Talaga.
Thank you, Sis Marisa. Sis Marisa, feeling ko naniwala sa hula eh. Kasi nagka-business siya ngayon.
Siguro na.
Yun ang sinabi ng hula.
Business is God-given.
God given.
Yes.
Agree.
Siyempre naman.
Thank you. Kumusta naman ang birthday, girl?
Maganda pa rin.
Yeah. May kamukha ka na talagang artista, sis.
Sobrang I'm lucky
Kamukha niyo si
and
Jing.
blessed to have you as my friend. Thank you so much for the love and support. Thank you.
And the generosity.
And the generosity.
Yeah, of Sis
Both in
Ana.
love and in money.
Thank you, Sis Ana, for the generosity. Thank you for this blow out.
Thank you for the welcome.
Thank you for the friendship.
Yes.
Hindi ko kayo makita tatlo in one. Urong kang...
O diba? Talagang ito.
Ayan.
Totoo naman.
Totoo naman talaga.
Ayan. Basta tayo sisterhood
And we
like no
support each
other,
other.
ha? Ayan.
We support each other. We bash each other. Always.
Oy, ang 1,000. Ang 1,000. Okay, thank you. Happy birthday, Sis Lori. Happy birthday. Cheers!
Matatanda na, ano yung chiniters na.
Teenagers with coffee.
Sis Lori. So, yun yung pinakasimpleng celebration namin ng birthday ni Sis Lori today. Ayan, sobrang masaya kasi magkakasama na naman kami. Hindi lang ganun katagal kasi late na at may mga trabaho pa sila. So, thank you very much for supporting my channel. This is Mel Di Baldovino Vlogs.